Right, boys and girls, how are we all doing? I hope we're doing good. It's the end of the week 3 of the lockdown here in the UK. It's just been put on again for another couple of weeks, no doubt, if not a bit longer. We can wishful think. It's a Thursday evening, it's 8:30 as well. So I've just been out clapping for the NHS, having a chat with the neighbours, just come in. That's why there is a beer there, because I'm going to have a night of listing on eBay. So all these are for sale. But before I do that, I thought I'd make a little bit of a video, because the YouTube stuff, when it comes to these, seems to be, well, it seems to be a great hit. So here we go. It's a random bunch I've brought over today. In the stores, I've got hundreds and thousands of models. Literally, there's thousands of models there. So some of these are from the recent collection. Other of these are just stuff I've got stored there, waiting for a rainy day. So now that there aren't toy fairs and there's no help for the self-employed, this is kind of starting to be a bit of a rainy day. So I'm planning on bringing out models and models and models. So here we go. Anyway, enough of that. That's another story. It's another video. Go check them out. Let's do a little bit of a show and tell, shall we? I'm not going to go into things in great detail, but I'm just going to literally pan you around them, show you them, so you can appreciate them. And, you know, possibly own them if you wanted to. Where are we going to start? I don't know. Let's do another little lap first, is it? Look at that Marklin. How beautiful is that Volkswagen? Stunning. The condition on some of these as well, incredible. Of course, all original boxes. Only thing here that's not original is the vacuum pack top for that, because it was broken. So I got another one because the base is mint, the model is mint. So £15 replacement vacuum for that. That's an original vacuum. And when you're side by side, you can kind of tell. Sorry, I've got the window open. It's 20 odd degrees. It is warm. So that was just a noisy moped driving up the main strip. And also the replacement bubble on this as well, because the model is perfect. That's perfect, but it's not a cheap one. It's a good quality one. There's nothing worse when these go to that yellow tinge and then start falling apart. So display purposes as well, and protection purposes, you want to look after that model, there we go. That's what it is. So I'm going to start down here with the Dublo stuff. 1950s Dublo, perfect for the Hornby Railways. Of course, Hornby Dinky, same company, Meccano. And here we go, lovely Austin taxi. Got the Morris pickup coming into shot, followed by the Austin lorry. Boxes and these are great as well. Original prices. They are very crispy, aren't they? And then we've got a Bedford flat truck. Now this came from the same collection of the Dublos with the railway stuff I actually purchased. Model, absolutely stunning. What lets this down was this was at the top of the box where the cardboard box it was in wasn't quite covered in the attic, and it's picked up some damp over the years. But the box is so crisp, but damp, look at that. Which is a little bit of a shame. But there we go, still an original box. There's always replacements out there you can find if you want to put another original one with it. But, you know, they've been together for 60 odd years, let's keep them together. So we've got a French Dinky Studebaker. That is amazing. I think that's gorgeous. I know you get the early 1960s Corgi ones, but you don't see too many of the French ones, do you? So that's quite nice to find. Comma fire engine, that is minty. Just look at that. That is as mint as you'll probably find. One or two little minor chips, but a shine on it, absolutely incredible. Let's put it back in there safely. And I bring you right down to the Leyland Comet Wagon, which is lovely. Again, all original model. Now this is from that recent collection I found. I forgot how many of these I actually do have in my stores, but it's quite a few there anyway, shall we say. Now the big Bedford, I think it's nicer in this blue and yellow colour opposed to the maroon and browny sort of colour. So again, originality. Look at that, even look at the spare tyre. That's gorgeous. And we've got the little half-track French vehicle. Now this is a sort of era where the artwork on the boxes, to me, look at that. Absolutely adore that. That's gorgeous, isn't it? You know, got the little gun to sit on top as well then. That's quite cool. Over here for the Jerry Anderson fans, original Lady Penelope FAB. Yes, my lady is in the back, you know, as Parker would say. And what's nice, let me just move this out. I was gonna, that's all right, not a problem. We've got the rocket still stapled on the plinth, which I do like. So let's just put it back there, safely out of the way. Down here, we've got the Dinky AEC transporter. That's nice. Now this one still has the original polystyrene bit that goes above the cab to stop it moving around and rubbing inside the box, which is quite nice. Then we've got the AMX recovery. This has got a header card. I've got that on. Believe it or not, if you just put a band on them, keep it down, the header card will stay perfect. You take the band off, Doesn't even look creased. It goes literally back up to normal. Now, here we go. I think this is quite cute, to be honest with you. It's that era of, it's starting to finally come around. The 70s Dinky is. It's the last of the year of the Dinkies. I know some people argue, is it a real Dinky? But, you know, it is a real Dinky. It's a souvenir set. You can just imagine travellers coming to London or in the UK, can't you? You know, what do you think of when you think of London? For me, anyway, I think of black cab, red bus. So, going back home around the world, really been amazing. Don't forget now, this is a sort of era where air travel was really starting to take off in the 70s. I know the 60s it is really, and if the 70s going through to where this was produced, this would have ended up in all around the world, all different sorts of places. The Marklin Volkswagen, I absolutely love that, a little police car. Incredible. At the back here then, the Macy Ferguson tractor, header card still inside. It's got the moving boom as well, which is also quite cute. Down here is a Dinky military kit, which you can literally build yourself. Original paint, everything still inside. It's the old enamel paint as well, so to be fair, it probably would have gone off in all the years that it's been there since the 70s, so might want to have new paint if you really want to build it. But do you really want to build them? Really? You know, they've survived this long. Keep them that way, innit? Look at the condition on this. Absolutely stunning. The artwork for me, that's brilliant. Trying to work out that. Is that a Vauxhall Viva or something? I don't know, you tell me. But that's quite cool on there actually. But yeah, love that. I think that's pretty great. And take you back over, I know you've seen some of these, but the Volkswagen KDF military vehicle with the gun. Look at them, the rockets. Now this is still factory sealed. That's never been opened, so you could say it's ex-shop stock if you really wanted to. You could get away with that, but you know, it's new to me, it's mint. That is mint, it's set aside from the replacement bubble. Just look at that, honest John. Love that, such a great looking truck. And then the final for me here, which is the most valuable here as well, is the Avengers set. Just check that out, original figures. Everything sits absolutely gorgeous. I think that's lovely, the artwork, everything, you know, Steed, M Appeal. I love it, so that's literally a bit of a flyby of these models. A lot of you reached out and said, keep doing them, George, keep doing them. Even if you just want to buy them on the store, you get a proper look at stuff close and opposed to photos. Or even if you just want to appreciate them. So, you know, I'm very happy to keep doing them. I'm very happy to keep showing them. Subscribe if you haven't. Like it if you really, well, if you like it. And scroll through as well. There's a lot of other car related stuff on the channel. A lot of model related stuff on my channel. So share and spread the love. I really do appreciate it. So there we go. Just want to wish everyone is staying safe out there in the current coronavirus, the lockdown, etc. And yeah, we've all got this. So stay safe, everybody. Peace and love as per usual. And check out the eBay store. Link in the description.